U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo renewed his aggressive criticism of China on Wednesday over its initial handling of the coronavirus outbreak.
China could have prevented the deaths of hundreds of thousands of people worldwide. China could have spared the world a descent into global economic malaise. They had a choice, but instead, China covered up the outbreak in Wuhan. Its National Health Commission ordered virus samples destroyed on January 3rd. China disappeared brave Chinese citizens who raised alarms. It deployed its propaganda organs to denounce those who politely called for simple transparency.
Covid-19 has killed more than 255,000 people worldwide, including more than 70,000 in the United States, making it the worst affected country according to official statistics. The virus first emerged in the Chinese city of Wuhan in December. Most experts believe it originated in a market selling wildlife and jumped from animals to people, although Pompeo has said there is significant evidence that it came from a laboratory. Domestic critics of U.S. President Donald Trump have said that while China has much to answer for in terms of its action in the early days of the outbreak, the U.S. administration is seeking to deflect attention from what they see as a slow U.S. response. At a White House event, Trump, who was seeking re-election in November, called it the worst attack the country had ever experienced and blamed China for not stopping it. Pompeo pushed back against suggestion that he and other members of the Trump administration have issued conflicting statements about the exact origins of the novel coronavirus. On Wednesday, Pompeo said the United States did not have certainty, but there was significant evidence that it came from the lab. Pompeo also said China was still withholding virus samples he said were needed for global vaccine research. The Chinese-backed Wuhan Institute of Virology has said that the virus did not originate there.